Um, this is a bike check on my tricycle. It's my dog, and that's my bike. What's that dog? It has Fit Mac bars on it. I got those the second day I got the bike. It's not stock grips, even. I got a Fit stem for it. I don't know what Fit stem it is, but I couldn't deal with the top load, so I got a front load. I just need to get some spacers though, because I really don't like my bars being that low. Then I got some demolition pegs for it. They weigh 4.9 ounces. And stock wheel. See, it gets dirty, watch. Before. After. Stock hubs, stock spokes. And I only have one peg on it now because I was learning how to hang 5. And I kept hitting my foot on the back peg, so I took it off. I have Black Label pedals on it. And stock cranks. And it's a Fit Eddie 1 frame. I kind of left that out. Yeah, it's a Fit Eddie 1 2012. See, there's that. I have fuse, specialized fuse seat on there. And see how dirty it is in there. I need to start washing my bike. But yeah. And then stock hub. Here's the sound. You want to hear the sound really bad? I don't know. I can put this and put it right here. Not that loud, but I deal with it. Well, that's my bike, and yeah, so that's mostly everything stock. It's not that old. Stock 25 tooths Fit sprocket, regular KMC chain. Okay, a stem. Oh, that's a nice bike. I like it. This needs some work. Everybody knows that. Stock fits really aren't that nice. But yeah, it's my bike. And hope you enjoyed. Comment on what you think I should do to it next. Well, I already know what I'm going to do to it next, actually. I'm getting a red Medusa sprocket with a white half link on it. It's going to look clean. And well, that's what I'm doing to it next. So we'll comment what else you think I should do to it. That's kind of in pricing range. Like, I think the last thing I'm going to get is wheels. But, and that's my bike.